Hey everyone, Cheryl here. Welcome to the Brunch Master. Today I'm going to teach you how to make one of my favorite grandma's recipes, onion chicken curry recipe. Let's look at the ingredients. Chicken 1 kg, curry cut, ginger 2 tablespoons, 5 medium sized onions roughly chopped, garlic 15 to 20 pods, tamarind a little, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, Byadagi Chilly 15. If you want your curry to be spicy, then you can add a few Guntur chillies along with the Byadagi chillies. Cinnamon 1 small piece, cloves 4 to 5, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, poppy seeds 2 teaspoons, 3 medium sized potatoes cut into cubes, ghee 3 tablespoons, 1 sliced onion. Take a blender jar and add chopped onion, ginger, garlic, tamarind, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, Byadagi chillies, cinnamon, cloves, turmeric powder, poppy seeds. Add required amount of water. Grind it into a smooth paste. Once the masala paste is ready, take a cooking pot and pour 1 tablespoon of ghee. Ghee is hot. Add half an onion. Saute the onion for a minute or 2. Add the chicken. Roast the chicken until it turns white on the outside and keep it aside. Then take a big cooking container and pour rest of the ghee. Add rest of the onion. Saute the onion for a minute and pour brown masala paste. And saute this masala for 5 to 7 minutes. Please don't skip this step as it deepens the flavor of the spices. Once it's done, pour the roasted chicken into the masala. Add potatoes. Salt. Mix everything well. Add required amount of water. Cover and cook until it is done. Check the salt and add more if it's required. This curry shouldn't be runny. This should be the consistency. This curry tastes better when you rest it for at least for an hour or 2. Serve hot with steamed rice, dosa or appam. Enjoy my grandma's chicken curry recipe. Try it at home and let me know how it goes in the comment section. Let's meet once again with another interesting recipe. Until then, eat healthy, take care. Thank you for watching the video.